Picture this, an entire room made from 6 tons of solid amber, decorated with gold leaf and precious stones. Valued at over $500 million in today's money. Created in the 18th century, stolen by Nazis during World War II, and vanished without a trace. This isn't fiction. This is the Amber Room, history's most valuable missing treasure. And I'm about to tell you its incredible story. Built between 1701 and 1709 in Prussia, the Amber Room was originally installed in Charlottenburg Palace. Prussian King Frederick I commissioned it as a symbol of power and wealth. In 1716, it was gifted to Russian Tsar Peter the Great to strengthen Prussian-Russian alliances. Transported to Russia, it was expanded and perfected over the years, eventually covering 180 square feet in Catherine Palace near St. Petersburg. Visitors described it as glowing with inner fire when candles were lit. When Nazi Germany invaded Russia in 1941, they specifically targeted the Amber Room. Knowing its value, German soldiers carefully dismantled it in just 36 hours, packing it into 27 wooden crates. It was shipped to Königsberg Castle in Germany and reassembled for display. But as the war turned against Germany in 1944, with Allied forces advancing, the room was dismantled again, and this time, it disappeared forever. 4 main theories exist. First, it was destroyed during Allied bombing of Königsberg in August 1944. Second, it's hidden in secret bunkers in Poland's Al Mountains. Third, it was loaded onto a ship that sank in the Baltic Sea. Fourth, escaping Nazis smuggled it to South America. In 1997, one original mosaic surfaced in Germany, fueling hopes. But the bulk remains missing. From 1979 to 2003, Russian craftsmen rebuilt the Amber Room using old photographs and descriptions, costing $11 million. It opened in 2003 for the 300th anniversary of St. Petersburg. But the original? In 2004, German treasure hunters claimed to find it in a silver mine. False alarm. In 2017, Polish divers searched Baltic shipwrecks. Nothing. If found today, the Amber Room would be priceless, but perhaps its true value lies in the mystery itself. Tomorrow, a treasure 10 times larger, Yamashta's gold, worth billions, hidden in Philippine tunnels with deadly booby traps.